Hello friends, welcome back. Let's talk about clinical research fast track program. Let me share my screen. So clinical research fast track program, you can see on a very right hand side of your screen. It's a 2 month educational activity plus hands-on program in which you are going to have one original observational study which you are going to learn how to excel it and how to publish it. After that, you are going to jump to the literature review and you are going to write one literature review with the our team of residents and attending, but you are going to write as many reviews as possible after the course finish or while you are enrolled, and then our team will support you to publish. This program is basically 2 months of live educational and skill learning sessions. The coursework and sample sessions are here. Let me show you um, how the coursework is designed. So you are going to have 8 different sessions, live sessions of educational and skill learning part where you are going to learn fundamentals of clinical research and manuscript writing, publishing, um, and another month is dedicated to the observational study where you are going to learn how to collect the data, how to understand the variable, how to analyze the data, research methodology, and interpret the data or interpret the result of SPSS. Not only that, you will be giving access to the hands-on session that will be recorded session, the additional session, then the live activity which you can see anytime whenever you get chance, that how you are going to do literature search and write the introduction part, cover letter, title page, and other documentation part, which is most crucial, but it is not that important. Also, you are going to get the access of the citation tool, and you will be having experience of different type of analytical tool, including SPSS and citation tool, including Mendeley. You are also going to have Myra's application and residency fellowship interview Q&A recorded session, which you can see and then prepare your application accordingly. So your educational and skill learning session will be for 2 months, and hands-on project experience will be for another 2 months. You'll be given one original project, original study, and one literature review study, which you need to complete within those 2 months. And we are going to help you to make sure it will publish successfully in the shorter duration of the time. You'll be getting access of Google Classroom and Research CV application guidance and research related residency fellowship interview preparation videos. Those all will be recorded except the presentation, the educational sessions. You will be also having membership and research consultation on your publication um, throughout the year at the reduced cost. But now, what is the most important aspect or comparison between clinical research fast track versus clinical research training program is when you think your CV is very solid, very strong, and you are targeting for some university program, or you're aiming for even community program where research is having weightage, but you still want to go with research and you don't want to keep that section empty. So this basically program will give you a little bit of uh, overall idea of basics of research, basics of publication, basics of observational studies and original research. I think it is not that hectic like clinical research training program, but it is still very effective program for the students who's not having any research experience at all, but their profile is like really solid. So I strongly recommend them to have at least this program so that they know fundamental concept of clinical research. Definitely clinical research education will help not only for your residency point of view, but also for your fellowship point of view, for early career attending point of view, and the promotion in your career. So looking forward to see you in this fundamental clinical research training program. And if you want to know more about clinical research training program, that is on your left side, and clinical research mentor mentee program, which is first on your very left side, then you can watch those videos as well. See you. Bye bye.